Hey y'all, what's going on? Got about an hour and a half of daylight left till it gets dark. I'm over at this lake now. Usually catch some big largemouth here. That's what I'm on the hunt for in this little short video. Not sure how it's gonna go exactly, but without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into fishing. Not gonna waste any time. Gonna throw some crankbaits, gonna throw some spinner baits. Gonna keep it simple, just like that. I'm gonna see if there's any larger bass around, because that's what I'm on the hunt for here. Got a cold front tomorrow. Gonna do a video tomorrow as well. And yeah, I'm gonna get right into fishing here. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start out with this little Dives 2-4. I like this color here. Fairly dark, the waters today, and cloudy and murky. So I'm thinking this will be a good color. Casts out real far. The wind has slowed down tremendously from what it's been the last 2 days. So I'm thinking this will be a good color choice here. Got one more color as well, black and silver. But just going to be working these edge lines a little bit with this bait. I'm just going to be seeing if there's anything around. There's a fish. He did that right there. Check that out, y'all. It's not the biggest one. There's a little guy on that spinner bait. Alrighty, y'all. Just got this one here, this little spinner bait. And he literally followed this bait in. It was actually interesting. He was literally hit that right here as I was reeling that bait in. But there's a good first fish. Getting this hook out of him right here. And gonna get the release on that fish. So, moving pretty quickly around this lake here. Just caught that one fish. And he ended up coming from, I don't know if he was following it for a little bit, but then all of a sudden, literally right at the shoreline, smashed that spinnerbait. So, I'm just dragging this spinnerbait on the bottom, relatively slow. Seeing if that's what they're liking right now. there's a fish, y'all. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this one, y'all. Oh, that's a good one. Chunky football. Look at that, yeah. All right. Look at that thick one. That is a football, y'all. Football. On that spinnerbait there. Barely hooked. Oh man, barely hooked. That's pretty much what I was looking for. That is a thick one. Chunky. Check that out, y'all. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna get the release on this bass here. That is definitely a good one. That is the one I was looking for. Caught a couple bigger ones out of here, but that's definitely a good one to check off here. So, gonna get that release now on this thick fish here. Like I said, that's what I was looking for, y'all. Alrighty, gonna get that release. This nice fish here. Ended up hitting it on the spinnerbait. He just railed it, so I'm gonna show you guys the release there. Alrighty, y'all. Exactly what I was looking for there. And it's almost about dark. I'm gonna start making my way back to where I parked up. But anyways though, it's definitely a good one. It's what I was looking for. And I'm gonna see if there's any left before I make my way back. Alrighty, y'all. So, just got that real nice largemouth here. Extremely satisfied about that. It's a good thick one. Probably wasn't too long, but the way that fish's stomach was, it was pretty heavy actually, that largemouth. So I'd give that largemouth, let's say like, a good like 3.5, 4 pounds maybe. I'm gonna post up right here. And I'm making my way back now over towards where I started off. But so far, they've been biting real good on this little Strike King spinnerbait here. What I got paired up with it is a Rapala Mayer swim bait. That's it, yeah. But anyways though, like I was saying, extremely satisfied. 2 fish so far. Got some daylight left. Fortunately, the camera died, but y'all were able to see 2 of those fish from here, which is pretty nice. But anyways though, I'm gonna be making my way back towards where I started, and I'm gonna see if there's any more fish that want to bite. Alrighty, y'all. That's gonna do it for this quick little bass fishing video at one of my favorite spots. Threw out some crankbaits, spinnerbaits. Spinnerbaits were the go-to today. Ended up starting off with a real small one. He crushed it right in front of me. And then worked my way down to the other side of the lake around the rocky area more, and I ended up getting a really nice thick one over there. It was probably about 3.5, 4 pounds. Caught a couple larger ones, but some of the larger ones, if they had a stomach like that one did, it would have been over 6 pounds probably. But anyways though, y'all, good results. Good little fishing out in here. Fished for about 1.5 hours, so not too bad. But anyways though, y'all, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for content just like this. Gonna be doing some more fishing. My birthday's actually is Friday, so I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for that. I'm not really sure yet. But anyways though, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.